Welcome back to another video. Right, today's video, hopefully just a quick one. I don't know why, but I've decided to film. It's very late. It is 9:40, 20 to 10. But yeah. Right, this is a collab that I'm doing for Charlie's Nail Art, and the theme for this one is Arctic. So Arctic, freeze, frosty, perfect for this time of year, especially where I am. It snowed yesterday and today where I live. It snowed and it is beautiful. I love it. Anyway, back to the video. Right, I've pulled out this foil and this foil. These are both from the Shattered collection that Charlie's got. That's transparent Shattered. It's exactly the same as this blue one, except it's transparent. So I've pulled them out to use. On the nails where I'm going to put this Shattered blue, I want a very similar colour underneath because it's full cover, this foil. But just in case I get any little gaps, I'm going to use this Jarico 826. It's just a very, very dark blue. So yeah, if I was to get any gaps, you're not going to really see it. Right, and glitters I've pulled out to use is this Jack Frost from Glitter Stella. Oh my god, it is so pretty. It just, my camera doesn't do it any justice whatsoever. It is an absolutely stunning glitter. I love it. So I've pulled that out. And I've also got this fine iridescent from Charlie's. And this one is Footprints in the Snow. I'm thinking I might just use a couple of these little snowflakes out of this one. Haven't decided yet. Right, so what I'm going to do first is get my base colours down, which is going to be foils. So on the nails that I'm going to put the blue foil, I'm just going to give them a coat of this GD Cocoa, and the other nails I'm going to be doing white, and I'm going to be putting this over the white. I don't know what that's going to look like, but I'm doing it, so yep. This blue is quite sheer actually, which surprised me because all the GD Cocoa polishes that I've just recently bought, they're all 1/4 and really, really creamy. So I was quite surprised when I tried this blue one, and it's very, very sheer. I've got a few navy blues, dark blues actually, and they're all the same. They're all really, really sheer. So I don't know if it's just that colour pigment that does it or what. But I'm only going to give it one coat anyway, because like I said, this is just to go under the foils. I don't need it to be completely opaque. So yeah, I'm just going to give these a quick one coat of this and do the other two nails white. I'm just going to use my Yogi white to do the other nails. Right, I'm just going to get them cured for 30 seconds. Right, that's them out of the lamp. I'm just going to wipe this tacky layer off, because whilst I'm sticking foil on one, the tacky layer might transfer some of the foil onto the nail next to it, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm just going to get this tacky layer wiped off. Right, I'm going to do the blue nails first. I'm going to use my Modern glue gel today. I have been using my McCourt foil glue, which I really, really like, but I just feel like I've been neglecting my Modern. So I'm going to pull that out today. This Modern glue gel as well cures in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, so I think I'm going to do the pinky first. So I'm just going to line this up best I can. Just going to get my my silicone tool to rub this in. I'm just going to rub it in best I can. See, this is why I wanted the similar colour gel polish underneath. Just so if I get any bits that I miss, you're not really going to see them that much. They won't stand out. It's quite difficult this on a flexi hand, because I'm scared of pulling the tips out. And once I feel like I've got it pressed in with the silicone tool. I'm just going to use my fingers to get these last bits. And then just rip it off. Woo, woo, woo. I love that foil glue, it's so good. Look at that. Perfect. Apart from a little bit stuck on the finger there, but it's a good thing about these silicone hands. It just comes off so easy. Right, now we'll do this finger. Right guys, that's that one done as well. So I'm just going to do the same with these white ones, give them a quick coat of this and I'll be back. Right, so I'm going to get this transparent shattered foil on these white nails now, exactly the same as the blue ones.
It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain.
Right guys, that's all my foil on. Never used the transparent one before, but I quite like it. It's really subtle, but it's still there, isn't it? You can still see it. I really like it. Right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these matte top coated because I want to paint some kind of frost around these blue ones. So yeah, I'm going to give them a quick matte top coat. Right guys, I'm going to use this white GD Cocoa gel paint. And I'm just going to paint some kind of, I just want it to kind of look frosted around. I'm just going to do from the edge of the nail tip around the free edge. I'm not going to go up to the top or anything. I'll start with the pinky actually.
Don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walk in the lines, fine. But I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now.
And then I am going to sprinkle some of this fine iridescent into that wet gel paint. I'm going to stick this in the lamp now for 30 seconds and I'll do this other one off camera because it's going to be exactly the same. So yeah, I'm just going to cure that and do this one exactly the same. Right guys, that's both of them nails done. I really like them. They're very frosty looking. Right, what I've done is I've changed my mind. Instead of deciding to use this Jack Frost, I'm going to use this one that's called Ice Ice Baby. So I've put some in my palette. What I've also done as well, I don't know if you can see down here on my kitchen roll, I've took some of the little snowflakes out of this, the ones that have got a blue shift, because there's ones with a pink shift, purple shift, yellow. So I've took some of the ones out that have got a kind of bluey, purplish kind of shift. I'm going to give these white nails a quick base coat and we're just going to put some of this glitter and snowflakes into it. Right, I'm just going to use my detailer brush to pick some of this stuff up. So I'm going to start with the snowflakes. What I'm going to have to do with these snowflakes and glitter nails, I'm going to have to give them a bit of a top coat and kind of encapsulate them because they do stick out a little bit. Right guys, I decided just to put snowflakes on that one nail and just leave that one a bit of a glitter fade. So what I'm going to do is the glitter nails, I'm going to get them top coated and I'll give them a file and a buff. I'm not sure if I want them matte or not. I need to decide if I want them white nails in matte like the blue ones. Not sure. I'll decide in a minute. Right guys, that's them white nails being filed and buffed. I don't know whether to see, that's them buffed, so that's what they would look like if I did them matte. I think I'm going to do them glossy only because you can't see the snowflakes very well in matte. So I do like these blue nails in matte though. I really like them in matte. So yeah, I'm just going to give them a quick no wipe top coat. Yeah, and if I don't like them in glossy, I can change them back to matte. But I do think these white ones need a glossy top coat, just so you can see them snowflakes a bit better. And the glitter is beautiful. It's absolutely stunning glitter. I love that. Yeah, you can see them snowflakes so much better now, can't you? They just come to life, don't they? I decided not to put any snowflakes on this index finger. I don't like too many nails to be the same. I always kind of do two nails the same, and that's it. So I really didn't want these other two to be the same as well. So yeah, I opted for no snowflakes on this one. Yeah, I think they're better in glossy, aren't they? Look at the colours just pop with that glossy top coat. I do think they're missing something. I'm not sure what. I definitely think they are missing something. I don't know. Right, I'm just going to stick them in the lamp and that'll be them finished. Right guys, that's them finished. I've ended up putting a snowflake on this nail. I just felt like they were missing something. I don't know. Let me know, do you think with or without the snowflake? I think it looks better with the snowflake. I don't know, I just felt like they were missing something. I don't know what. I don't know what. But I really like them. I do. I really like them. Yeah, I'm happy with them. But yeah, that's going to be it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you doing? Come on. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Hit that little bell as well so you never miss an upload, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.